Welcome to my channel. I am creating a complete 100 business rules practice series in ServiceNow. This is video 32 out of 100, where we apply business rules on a real custom table, step by step. If you want strong fundamentals and real project logic, this series is for you. Here in this video, I am created one custom table and I'm given complete from start to end step in description, each to starting to ending point in the description. Then I am applying all business logics on the custom table. The coming to table, this is the custom table. Here I am created Amma Organics. This is online vegetable store. This table is custom table only. Here it having number, customer name, mobile number, delivery date, delivery address, product category. It includes rice, vegetables, fruits, leafy vegetables, flowers, milk products, meat, fish, and dry fish. Dry fruits, it will be there. Quantity and units, cages, liter, dozen pieces are there. And delivery date is there. And price per unit, total amount. And like that stages of incident. Same like order status having new confirmed, packed, dispatched, delivered, cancelled, dispatched. These stages are there. Coming to our topic, the interview question is, here I am explaining custom table creation. Already I created. Then apply on the business rules. Apply business rules on custom table. The question is, how do you restrict users from canceling an order after it is dispatched? Or sometimes it will ask like this: prevent order cancellation after dispatch. Let's say, for example, in the Amma Organics custom table, so its order status is already dispatched. If we prevent from dispatch to cancel, if user tries to change dispatch to cancel, the system it won't allow. It show error and about the action. Why this question is important? Because in real-time scenarios or real-time projects, once order is dispatched, it is already sent to customer. Like that, for example, Flipkart or Amazon or e-commerce platform. Same thing happening here. Once order is dispatched, it is already sent to customer. Canceling after dispatch causes financial loss, logistics issues, customer confusion. Let's say, for example, if we cancel Amazon or Flipkart or Myntra app order, what will happen? Will huge loss to the application. I mean Amazon platform, and at the same time manufacturers also. So it's logistics issues. It is a lot of time waste, customer confusion, financial losses. So we need to prevent this issue. So system must stop invalid updates automatically. This is very common in production systems. These live examples are Flipkart, Amazon, and other online platforms, other e-commerce platforms. Swiggy, Zomato also same. In this, for simply getting the code, we can break into the requirement into simple steps. The first step is check if order status is already dispatched. For example, the table, we need to check order status. It's already dispatched. The next step is user tries to change status to cancel. So in the table, user tries to cancel the dispatch to cancel state. The next one is system should stop the update and show error message. System should stop the saving and show error message. This is the concept. We can break into simple steps. Then let's start. In simple way, we can call as once an order is dispatched, users should not be allowed to cancel it. Live example is if we have Zomato order, if we are trying to cancel the Zomato order, but the application won't support to cancel, it show about and show error message. Like that we are applying here. For that, alternative methods also there, and client script is there, UI policy is there, flow designer is there, but client script is working on the browser end, so it won't be suitable. So because it's a UI only, user interface only. And UI policy want to also, it's not workable because it's no server-side guarantee. Flow designer is due to its complicated task. So better alternative is doing with business tools. That's best option. Why business tool? Because it cannot be bypassed. Like that flow designer, UI policy, and client script. It won't bypass. Works from UI, API, import background. So it will work from all aspects. Mainly business tools use it for validation and production systems. So according to this concept, this requirement, we can use before business tool. And action is update. We need to prevent from dispatch to cancel state. No, that's why updating. So that's why we are using the update option in the business tool. Let's start our task. How we can navigate the business tool? Through system definition, business tool we can enter. Or else sys underscore script underscore list dot do option. We can jump to the business tool. Sys underscore script underscore list dot do. Then we can start with new. We will start new business tool. Name should be aligned with our requirement. Our requirement is prevent order cancellation after dispatch. Table is, we are using custom table, our own table, Amma Organics. Amma Organics. Then advanced. If we click on advanced, here it's showing when to run option highlighted and advanced option is highlighted. In advanced section, we will write the script. Before going to advanced section, we need to fill some fields in when to run. In generally, business rules are 4 types: before, after, async, display business rule. Before business rule will apply for the before server. After business rule, after data entered into server, we can apply. Then async business rule is applicable for the integrations because async business rule having more logic. It will handle more logics. And display business rule is used for the when we call data from client to server through client Ajax. It will handle the display business rule. According to our requirement, we will click on update. Remaining options no need to, and actions not required as per our requirement. Then click on advanced. Then as per breaking requirement into the simple steps, we can fill the code. The requirement is here, check if order status is already dispatched. So we need to use if condition. If order means what order? Current means present table order, present table current means. If current dot order status equal to cancelled. Same we can apply here. If current means current table, current dot. What's the requirement? Click check if order status is already dispatched. Order status. We need to get backend value of order status. So go to the table. You can check the backend value. Then copy the backend name of the field. Then we need to enter to here in the business tool. If current dot order status, u underscore order underscore status, where you can get u option will get by the custom table. Custom table starts with u. U means user. User created it was dot. If current dot u underscore order underscore status, then what next step? Check if order status is already dispatched. Then user tries to change status to cancelled. So we will write as order status dot changes to cancel. Where cancel come? This is a state cancel, and we need to give present order. I mean dispatched order, and both options. Previous means previous. This is previous. From previous to change to current, dispatch to cancelled. That's why previous is dispatched, current is cancelled. We are giving system inputs. We are giving logic to the system or business tool in the form of business tool. Previous dot. Then we need to give order status of the backend value. U underscore order underscore status equal to dispatched. This is backend value of the dispatched. You got it, my point? How this line will come? This line is come by check if order status is already dispatched and user tries to change status to cancelled. The best option is here. Order status is dispatched. From dispatch to user trying to cancel. These inputs are we are giving to system. System thinking it's logic. So this logic inputs given to the system in the form of business rule. Business rule act as a brain to the system, brain to the ServiceNow. So this point is completed. Next line. As per our breaking requirement, next line is system should stop the update and show error message. And how system will give error message? By adding gs.add error message. And how the system stop the update? By adding set about action true. Then system automatically stop the further saving or further changing. Then we can apply both add error message and set about action. Then the next point, gs dot add error message. We can click on here. Then what error message we need to get? Order cannot be cancelled. Cancelled after dispatch. We need to cancel if we select the cancel option. Then end of the line should start with the semicolon, should end with semicolon. Enter. Then it will prevent update. That's why we are using current dot. Current means it will apply on the current table. Current dot set about action. Due to this option, it will prevent the saving or update. Set about action. True. We should enter true. Then close the line with the semicolon. Then align with the format code. So it will adjust according to this. It will remove the space, extra spaces, and it will maintain uniformity. Then we can submit. Then we can check. We check the form. So as per our requirement, check if order status is already dispatched. User tries to change status to cancelled. Should stop the update and show error message. System is already dispatched. If we are trying to from dispatch to cancel state, then we can save. So see the result is came. So it's showing an error message and prevent from saving. Order cannot be cancelled after dispatch, invalid update. How this error message came and invalid update? This error message came from here in the business rule. So we already given the code or script here. gs.add error message. Order cannot be cancelled after dispatch. And set abort action. Due to these lines code, it's showing an error message. Order cannot be cancelled after dispatch and invalid update. So due to this, it's happened. This way we can easily practice the business rules. Dear friends, don't think scripting is very hard. It's very easy if you daily practice. If you have facing any doubts, please post comments in comment section. I will ready to clear your doubts. If this video is worthable, this series is worthable to you, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you, dear friends. Wish you all the best.